Well, the XR is in the air and on some jack stands. Need to remove these wheel dollies. But it's sitting up in the air now, and so now we can get underneath it. I didn't have space for it to get on my lift. I have my E36 up here. We're doing some suspension work to it. But we are going to start removing all the internal combustion components. So I think first what we'll start with is the exhaust and the gas tank. Those are both pretty straightforward, and right here, sitting there for us, the exhaust isn't even connected to an engine anymore because the engine was removed. So we'll take that out, and I'm actually gonna weigh all these components too to see how much weight savings we're getting, and then how much all the new EV components are gonna weigh going back into it. All right, wish us luck. You know, I decided that instead of starting on the exhaust and gas tank, why don't I start with all the crap that's inside. Let's see if this hatch even opens under its own power. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. That XR smell. If you know it, you know it. Got all sorts of crap back here. In fact, if any of you guys need this stuff, let me know. A lot of internal components. There's a parcel shelf. Those are kind of hard to find. All sorts of crap back here. I'm gonna start taking this all out. I'll be gentle with it. A lot of it's not gonna go back the same because I'm gonna have to make some custom platforms for batteries and things like that. So we will see. See a couple consoles. Yeah, look at that. All right, so let's get going. I see an extra thing for back here. This is different, this is black. That original interior was gray. Long time ago, I had started the process of switching to gray, and then someone hit me. That was like 15 years ago. This car has kind of sat in various states of disrepair since then. Had lots of other things going on since then, but this one's always been here. I haven't gotten rid of her, and I plan on keeping it. So, all right, let's get to it. I'll start taking some of this junk out, and you guys let me know in the comments if you need any of this. You pay shipping, I'll probably just send it to you. All right, take it easy. Whew. After about 30 minutes of pulling junk out in the heat, it's already getting hot here in Texas today, even though we're in September. This is what we're left with. Big pile of stuff over here, a little bit in here too. But as you see, this is a nice rust-free car, very solid down here. I put this peel and seal sound ending in there a long time ago, back when I was just like 20 years old. I'm in my 40s now, so it's lasting really good. And this car has been kept inside. It's not even as much mouse poop as I thought there would be. So, got the dash pad here. Cracked up dash, but we have a spare hanging out over there somewhere. Sorry, it's so messy in here, can't see it. Yeah, things to be in relatively good shape. Look, the key's still in the ignition. I have a nice RS steering wheel that's gonna go on here. Let's see if we can find that real quick. Oh, there's my nice new dash. Nice RS steering wheel that we're gonna put in there, replace that ugly thing. There's a manual rack. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that manual steering rack. But yeah, so we have a really good base to start with. This car is very solid. It's been a Texas car its entire life. And where we are is pretty dry, so not any issues with rust. So, let me know what you think in the comments. Maybe if I make some mistakes, you guys can tell me what to do. But I'm pretty excited to get started on this. So, you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you later.